that are happening in Pakistan is completely wrong. Army opening fire on unarmed people in D Chowk, for example, is just unacceptable. Because everywhere else around the world, people are allowed to protest and speak what they want to speak. But what happened on the 26th of November was just wrong, just in all ways. And the main issue here is military rule that's been running since the 1940s or the late 40s.
1947, yeah.
Yeah, 47, and it's just continued up till to the present day as well. And so we're out here protesting against what's going on in Pakistan right now, the whole military situation. It's a dictatorship. There's no such thing as elections or democracy. It's just the army gets to choose who wants to be in power. So that's what it is.
So your opinion is 100% army is responsible for
Yeah,
all.
army is responsible for nearly all. But I'd also add that it's also the politicians as well that are letting themselves be corrupted and buying into this corruption. Because they equally have the choice to say no,